I am Harish Shahi, Research Head from Daily FX Signal. So today we are going to cover the USD CAD pair where we can see that bears smashed 1.3850 level, which was a very strong support level, and we found the clear-cut breakout at downside. Overall, we can see that the pair has managed to rebound around 40 pips from daily swing low and was last seen trading near 1.3775. Yesterday pair added to the previous day's heavy losses and lost some additional ground through the early part of the Wednesday's trading action. However, a combination of factors helped ease the intraday bearish pressure and assisted the pair to find some support near the 1.3725 region, and we have seen some bounce from there. The way pair is falling down, it seems like the bear are on a long drive mood and they are testing the depth of the river. Overall, pair is making successively lower lows and lower highs on a day-to-day basis and heading south side. Yesterday bears also added the further downside, but at the end we have seen some bounce. So from technical perspective, we can see that pair is trading and sustaining in the downtrend channel and making lower lows from day-to-day basis. Day before yesterday, we have got a major breakout of the very strong support level, which is pushing the pair at the downside, and it opened the gates for 1.3500 level at least. So our odds are in favor of bears and our bias remains bearish on the pair as long as 1.4050 levels remains instant on the closing basis. The 1.3650 will act now as a key support level, followed by a 1.3500 level. On contrary, 1.4050 level can be considered as a resistance level, followed by 1.4150 level. Also, the pair is trading below all the major and minor EMA lines on the daily chart, which is providing strength to the bears, and a short-term downtrend line on the RSI has been formed on hourly as well as on daily chart. Apart from that, a downside crossover of the zero line on the MACD indicator is also favoring the bears, and which is a recent development. So we can say that it's a low risk call to short the pair at every bounce or at the present level. So today at the time of today pair is trading at 1.3775, which is getting the downside pressure in the European session, and the first phase has been completed from now onwards and the second phase has been started. So based on the studies and charts we mentioned here, we can say that go for sell around 1.378090 level for the target of 1.3600 and 1.3500 levels with the very tight stop loss of 1.4050 level. Thank you so much.